Hello everybody, I got some requests. You guys want to see my van for some reason. Well, this is my van. I have a little of everything. Festool Milwaukee, but for the most part Festool Milwaukee for sure. I got a lot of storage, extra stuff. Sometimes I don't need it, but it's nice to have it when I need it. Miter saw, table saw. I rarely use this table saw. It's really works pretty good, but I barely using it. The Festool vacuum, the best, my favorite tool. I always use it. This one here is all my Milwaukee storage. A little bit bulky, but it works pretty good. Some drills, jigsaw. This is a DeWalt. This is my only DeWalt that I have. Of course, in my truck saw too, DeWalt. More storage. This concrete nail gun, I barely using it. Probably using it 1 or 2 times. Probably I need to give it away or sell it. So anyway, so there's tools here. Some of my extra storage here, screws, pro press, fittings, 1/2 inch, 3/4. This is a framing nail gun. This is a Milwaukee, and this is truck saw. Yes, truck saw. Some levelings, more storage here. This is nice to have a storage, extra storage for anything you have there. Some jigs, more nails, screws. It is nice to have a storage. Some of the stuff is too much. I need to do a little bit better cleanup here. More storage. It is nice to have those storage. It goes in the right place. It is really good. This is my stand for my miter saw. I always using it in my skill saw. Be honest with you, I like more the DeWalt, but it's broken. I need to get another one. It is nice to have step ladders, bench. My wife, she gave me this sign. She said, I need to have this here. I need to put it here. And also I like to planning everything. This is really great. This is signs here for planning my whole week. And also for my drawings, and I like to plan for months, especially if it's gonna be inspections. They're great. But this is my van. Let me know if you guys have any more questions.